get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Hey y'all, watch this! Daddy's belt, mama's drapes, standing tall in the backyard shed looking cool in my Superman cape. I told the neighborhood girl, said, hey y'all, watch this. My fate was a broken arm and my reward, one big kiss. When Daddy asked me why I did it, I made him laugh out loud when I told him, cause the chicks dig it. Scars heal, glory fades, and all we're left with are the memories made. Oh yeah, pain hurts, but only for a minute. Your life is short, so go on and live it, cause the chicks dig it. Oh yeah. Blacktop road, learner permit. Thought I was Earnhardt, driving fast, but I didn't see the ditch. Took out a mailbox, then a fence, then a barn. The police came and called my father, but I met the farmer's daughter. And when the judge asked me why I did it, he threw the book at me when I told him, cause the chicks dig it. Scars heal, glory fades, and all we're left with are the memories made. Oh yeah, your pain hurts, but only for a minute. Life is short, so go on and live it, cause the chicks dig it. Oh yeah. Just throw caution to the wind, my friend, then sit back and watch your life begin, cause scars heal, glory fades, and all we're left with are the memories made. Your pain hurts, but only for a minute. Your life is short, so go on and live it, cause the chicks dig it. Scars heal, glory fades, and all we're left with are the memories made. Pain hurts, but only for a minute. Your life is short, so go on and live it. It don't matter if you lose or if you win it. Hey, the chicks dig it. Oh yeah, the chicks dig it. The chicks dig it. Hey, oh yeah, the chicks dig it. I got this scar when I was 3 years old, shaking off with the girl next door on my tricycle. And the one over my eye, well, I got that back in '82, jumping off the train trestle bridge. But I got the girl